Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you a quick way to do a wash and go into a puff on a 4C type of hair. So if you want to see how I do my hair in just like 5 minutes, continue watching. So first I will go wash my hair. I won't show you when I'm washing it, but I'll go wash my hair, then I come back and we start with the video. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my hair after I have washed. This is the current situation. Yeah, this is the hair after I washed. This is what I will use for my hair when I apply the gel. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. Guys, I will use this gel by Mikala. This is the gel that I will use. Yeah, so you made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear I just need to clear my head. 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 So guys, I will be using this. This is a stocking. You can use anything that you are comfortable. So I'll just tie like that. Then I push it. It is like that. So should I hide? So I will take my brush and make sure I get those places that I didn't get.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know?
Now I have achieved some curls. Now so the next step is to tie our head with a scarf. So my scarf is so big, but I will use this to tie my head. my head. I will do my makeup as I wait for my hair to as I wait for my hair to get dry.
Right is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but
Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup, so let us unveil this and see if we have done a good job. Okay. Da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. Oh my god, I'm so nervous because sometimes it can backfire. Da-da-dum. 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 That's the estimation, guys. Not bad. So let me put on makeup here so that we can be so what I do, just
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home, but if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in
okay, so this is our final result. You can wait for the curls to dry because mine it is still wet, so that it can pop more. So guys, that's how I do a quick wash and go. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you will try it at home or if you do it at home, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for everyday content. Until next time, goodbye.